If you want to turn on a second space on Poco F8 UItra, start by opening settings, and now you have to scroll all the way down and open additional settings. Now you will have to go below for this second space, click to turn on second space. Now just wait a little bit, it's gonna basically create the new space for your phone. You have to click continue. You can switch between space by using a password or using shortcut, so it actually depends. If you are just using this for your work profile, for example, you can select using a shortcut. If you want to share your device with someone, definitely select using a password to protect your privacy. But in my case, just a video to show you. Now I'm gonna skip this password, but if you want to do this, you will have to set it up. And now as you can see, we can basically set up this device like you want. You can set a different wallpaper, widgets, icons, theme, just everything, basically everything. And if you want to switch between those spaces, you have to just click on this shortcut over here. And in my case, I am gonna verify, and that's everything.